What is going on, my boo? It is your girl Staciewo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do this quick Labor Day look like I had went out, and I was like, let me just do this look real quick for my boos or whatever. So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. So we're gonna be jumping right into it, okay? So we're going to be jumping into the Rumor 5 base from P. Louise. Okay, I love me some P. Louise. And I'm gonna just put this real quick on my lid. I do have to work, you know. This is Labor Day weekend and I'm still working, okay? Shout out to all my boos that's working on this day. I got a lot of things that I gotta do, so that's why I'm working. Just like I told you, I have my collection coming out, so I've been pushing all this little content, you know what I'm saying? You know, just trying to get it, okay? It's like, no, real quick, because my lips is ashy. We gonna jump into the Patrick tie. It makes your lips feel so good. We're going to be jumping into the Love Affair palette by P. Louise. I'm going to be jumping into Late Nights, and we're just going to be taking it. We're just going to be stamping it, honey. Yeah, my boo. I have like so much stuff. You know, my daughter starts school, so I have to do her hair on top of work. I'm very excited for her to be going back to school. Prayers to all my babies that's going to be sitting in a classroom. Let's jump into adulterer. I just want to give false, feeling that vibe, and I'm gonna be bringing this all the way out. As you can see, I've been doing my little samurai eyes. That's like my new little thing that I do. It's a little thing I do, it's me. And I'm gonna bring this in my crease too, just warming my crease up in this. So we're gonna jump right back into Late Nights, giving Late Nights some type of blend, giving subtle. I ain't gonna settle on too much, but you know what I'm saying. Next, since we have that down, we're gonna jump into Just a Friend. And we're gonna take Just a Friend and we're gonna bring Just a Friend all over the lid. He just a friend. Let me shake my eye. I feel like a soft look ain't nothing without a sharp eye, baby. We want to jump into the Norvina collection palette, the ABH. This is my favorite black, the E5. And darken that, blend that in. That shit turns me on, yeah. Remember that song? That shit turned me. That was on, what was that on? Waiting Until XL. It's like, no, but y'all know I'm crazy. So I want to do some shimmer. So we going to jump into excuses. Because a lot of people got excuses, child. We ain't trying to hear none of them. And I'm gonna just take excuses. This is definitely the vibe. I'm just really feeling this. But let's put on this mascara real quick. This is the e.l.f. mascara. This has been one of my little bomb joints because I just like the way this joint be pulling out my lashes, making me feel like I have long lashes. Even though I do have long lashes, like my lashes is very long. These pull you out. Make you feel good, okay? I'm gonna jump on some Hello Hydration by e.l.f. and I'm gonna just slap this on my face, rub this in my face, cause child, I be trying to get up and go, okay? I do not be having time to be playing around. Also, I'm gonna jump on my primer. This is the Equalizer. I kind of like this Equalizer primer by Morphe. I actually been using this a lot in my videos. I feel like this is a milk dew. It's not as sticky, but it kind of really sticks to your foundation. But one thing about me, I don't be wanting my foundation to come off. You dig me? Okay. And now we're going to be jumping into my fave foundation, the LYS. This is the DPG1. This is like one of my fave foundations. It's like really stays on the skin. Like if you're going out, you going to work or something like that, you know, back to school and stuff like that. Because I know we getting back to school, back to work, all those good things. This foundation is really like the lit foundation to have on no shade, like, but it really is. Real quick, we're going to jump into the e.l.f. This is the Hello Hydration. And I'm just gonna lay this down. I'm being fast, y'all. I'm not using a brush. I'm just laying this down. Cause I got stuff to do, child. I gotta do my kids' hair. And I still have to edit this video, you know, so I can get it out to you. You know what I'm saying? And I have a photo shoot. Oh, it's just so many things, so many meetings. But I'm gonna be beat all day today. Shout out to all my boos that still have to work even though it's Labor Day. Okay? I always worked on a Labor Day. I don't even remember a Labor Day that I had off because I always worked in like a hospital or a medical settings. Shoot, I even worked Christmas one time. So I'm used to it. I'm used to not having no days off. So shout out to all my no date all boos that's getting it. Do what you gotta do, okay? When you come home, drink you a nice glass of wine and be grateful, because there's some people that don't have a job, that wish they had a job. You know what I mean? You gotta thank God for everything. He has got me through a lot of things and still getting me through a lot of things. That's my way, you know what I mean? That's my way. He's my way, my source, okay? Yo, I'm trying to cover this bump. This bump is like sickening. I've been putting so much stuff on this bump too, and it's just disrespectful. But we gonna jump into some contour. I'm gonna give you a little cream too today, the Rich Ebony. And when you tap in lightly. See how fast I gotta work that through fast. Look at the rest. You know, you gotta do it like that. You know? It's like, no, let me leave y'all alone. I play too much. Let me jump into powder real quick because I wanna let this front sit. So we gonna jump into the Fenty Beauty. I wonder, how is Riri? What is she doing? How has she been? It's my girl. Now we can jump into this real quick because child. I remember when I used to just do my whole entire face with like a brush. The outcome though, with a brush, especially if you got a lot of time, that joint, no lie, be flawless. I'm jumping into powder and I'm gonna jump into the Laura Mercier and the One Size Mix. And I definitely get the getting, okay? Because if I don't, my makeup will just look a real caked up, ugly mess. And I don't be wanting that to happen to my makeup, especially when you work so hard on laying your makeup down, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's Labor Day. We want to show and prove the work, okay? Say no, but for real. And I'm telling you, boo, if you use both of the powders, like, it really works, like, no lie. So real quick, we're gonna jump into under eye. We're gonna jump into late night and we wanna just close up the under eye real good. Next, real quick, we're gonna take Infidelity and we just gonna bring that down, just smoking that real good. So now I'm gonna take some eyeliner, child. I need to take some eyeliner and line these eyes. Oof. All right, that look good, that look great. All right, so next, honey, let me get this powder off my face. So now we're gonna jump into the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation Powder and just dust this real good off my face like that. Just take a little dust, you know, just to bring some color back up in here. Just go right here into contouring. Shape the nose, cause the nose needs to be shaped in the best way, okay? You know, you gotta put powder over everything. So I'm just gonna take that and just put the powder over it just to keep it there, keep it nice. And now we're going to jump into lip. And for lip, I'm gonna be jumping into the Morphe Trendsetter. This has always been and always will be my favorite brown. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to think, what should I do for lip? What's on the menu? Okay, what's on the menu for lip? Should I do a dark lip? Let's do a dark lip. We always do a pink lip, don't we? Like, we always, let's just be a little daring today. And this is my favorite lime crime lip. This is Wicked. Ooh. Ooh, we got dark. Ooh, we got dark on them. I like it. I haven't had like a dark lip on in so long, so we want to jump into the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy and just blush up these cheeks. Like, this is a cute little fall, you know, September vibe. And this is the Morphe setting spray. So we're gonna spray and then we're gonna real quick jump into highlight. And for highlight, we're gonna jump into the Fenty Beauty Cognac Candy, okay? You know, giving you that glow within kind of vibe. Real cognac candy, yeah. I know I play too much. You know I ain't did no dark lip in a minute, y'all, so I'm showing off. All right, I'm gonna jump into this e.l.f. Stay All Night because I'm shooting. This needs to stay all night. Alright, my boo, so this is the final look. I'm really feeling this look. You feel what I'm saying? And if you was feeling this look too, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you waiting for. Make sure you do not forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So I love you, my boo. Don't forget to keep God first. And I'm gonna see you, boo, in the next video. Mwah. Peace.